Hey everyone, my name's Jillian and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing an easy way that I clean my makeup brushes and how I speed up the process in drying them. First, I'm going to start with soaking the makeup brushes in some water to get some of the dried makeup off of the brushes to get to a better starting point. Then I'm going to rinse the brushes to get some of the gross water off of them. I have tried so many different methods to clean the brushes. I've bought systems on Amazon where it's like a bowl and it's an electronic brush cleaner and it spins your brush around in the water. I just have found that the easiest way to do it for me is to get one of these things. It's handheld. You just stick it on your finger and then you use it as a scrubbing board for the brushes. I'll link something similar down below. I got this one at the Dollar Tree, believe it or not. I'm going to use the same facial cleanser that I use to wash my face to clean the brushes so that if there's any residue on the brushes left over, it won't irritate my skin. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of the cleanser on the scrubber and start cleaning. Once the foam is starting to get clear on the scrubber, start rinsing your brush and get rid of all the excess suds. Okay, now that the brush is clean, I'm going to squeeze out some of the excess water and I'm going to set it on a towel to dry. I'm going to clean off the rest of my brushes and then we'll move into the fastest way I've found to dry them.
Something I've done to minimize the time I spend washing my makeup brushes or the frequency that I wash the brushes is buying multiple brushes of the same kind for my foundation. I like to get a fresh one or pretty fresh one each time I do my makeup. And so if you buy a bunch of inexpensive brushes, like these, I think were only a couple dollars on Amazon. They're the Wet n Wild brand. And I really like the quality of the brushes, actually. They're really soft and they've held up pretty well so far. And so I just buy multiples and then we'll just get a fresh one each time if I don't have time to wash the brushes. Here are all the brushes laying out to dry, but we're gonna speed it up because who has time for that? Also, I find that they seem to dry in a better shape when I take this next step that I'm gonna show you.
Okay, now for the fun part. So I like to speed up the drying of the brushes with my Dyson hair dryer. Now, if you don't have a Dyson, you can still do this with whatever hair dryer you have, but the Dyson is gonna give you the most dramatic results. Okay, then I'm just gonna reshape it. There are some pieces that still need to dry, so I'm not gonna use these right away. I'll let them air out, but it's almost ready to go. This isn't gonna be perfect. It may be difficult to reach some of the denser bristles in the middle of your brush, depending on what the shape of it is. So this is just a way to speed up the process. You're not gonna get the brushes completely dry, but it definitely makes a difference in the time involved. Once the brushes are all clean, I'm gonna place them in a jar so that they can just air out a little bit more to catch any of the areas that are still wet. If you found this video helpful, tap that like button to let me know. This is a new channel where I'm making videos on ways to elevate different areas of your life, and that includes DIY projects, product reviews, home decor, and organization. I'd love to have you join me for the next one, so tap that subscribe button if you want to see more. Good luck washing those makeup brushes. I know it's something that we all dread, but I hope this video gives you some ideas to make the process just a little bit better. I hope you have a lovely day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.